Good morning students, welcome back to the English channel. Students, today I'll teach you the tricks to easily remember the trigonometric values, trigonometric specific angle values. So what is the trick? It is the trick just by your finger, just by your hand you can easily remember the values of all the specific angles. So for this, what is the first step? Just look at your right hand. See how many fingers? 5 fingers. But you have to count from 0. Why children? Because we have to know the value of specific angle that starts from 0 degree. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree we have to find out. So you have to start from 0. So let's take the thumb as 0. Then index finger 1, middle finger 2, ring finger 3 and little finger 4. Now we have to find out the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now see the third step, only the one step we have to follow, that is you just have to take the square root of each of these values and divide it by 2. This is the only thing that you have to do. That means we have taken the thumb as the 0. So for 0, you sign 0 degree. For the first angle 0 degree, you have to find, just take the root over square root of 0 divided by 2. That is root 0 by 2. Second is 1, that is the index finger you have taken as 1. So for the sign 30 degree, you have to take the root over of 1 and divide by 2. So root over 1 equal to 1 by 2. Next is 3, 45 degree. So 45 degree, that means here it is 2. So take the root over as 2, root over 2 by 2. So 2 means root 2 multiplied by root 2. So it got cancelled. We got 1 by root 2. Now next is 3. So for 3 sine 60 degree, we have to take root 3 by 2. So we got sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Next is 4, the little finger. So here sine 90 degree will become root over 4 by 2. So we got 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So we got all the sine degrees, sine 0 degree equal to 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree as 1. Got the idea? Or let me tell you again. So you just have to take the square root of each of these values and divide it by 2. Then you will get from sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, root 0 by 2 equal to 0 degree, root 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, because root over 1 equal to square root of 1 equal to 1. So like this you got up to 90 degree. Now for cos theta, exactly it is the complementary. Sine and cos are complementary. So you just have to reverse this. That means now little finger you take as 0 degree. And little finger, thumb finger will become 90 degrees. So you have to start from little finger. Little finger, ring finger will become 30 degree. Middle finger will 45 degree. And index finger 60 degree. And thumb equal to 90 degree. So you got cos theta, cos 0 degree equal to 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree 0. Exactly right in the opposite order of sine theta. That is sine angles, sine values and cos values are exactly complementary. You can just reverse it or you can write it in the opposite order. So that sine 0 degree equal to cos 90 degree, sine 30 degree equal to cos 60 degree, sine 45 degree will remain same as cos 45 degree, sine 60 equal to cos 30 and sine 90 is equal to cos 0 degree. Okay, so all these things, all the cos values we can fill up now. Now again we know that tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. So we can get the tan values, tan, all the angles of tan theta, that is all the tan values can be obtained by just dividing the sine values with the cos values. Sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree, that is 0 by 1, we got 0 degree as the tan 0 degree. Tan 30 degree will become sine 30 by cos 30, that is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So we got 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, we got 1. tan 60 degree will get by sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. We got root 3. Tan 90 degree is equal to sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 cannot be defined, so just write not defined. Similarly, by applying this same formula, we can get sec theta is equal to, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta we can get by dividing cos theta divided by sin theta, and cosec theta we can get by 1 divided by sin theta. So we can now fill the sec theta. As I said, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So write whatever is given in the cos theta, that is cos 0 degree, sec 0 degree will become 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. So sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, 1 by 1 equal to 1. Now sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Sec 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, that means root 2. Sec 60 degree, it will become 1 by cos theta, 1 by 2, that means 2. Now sec 90 degree equal to 1 by 1 by cos theta, that is 1 by 0, that means it cannot be defined. Similarly, we can get cosec theta and cot theta. Cosec theta, cosec 0 equal to cannot be defined. Cosec 30 degree we can get 2. Cosec 45 degree is equal to 1 by sin theta, so 1 by root 2 we got root 2. Then cosec 60 degree 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 degree equal to 1 by 1, we got 1. And cot theta, as you know, cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta is cos 0 is 1 divided by sin 0. It cannot be defined. Cot 30 degree equal to, cos theta by sin theta, that is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that means root 3. Similarly, cot 45 degree equal to 1, cot 60 degree equal to 1 by root 3, cot 90 degree equal to 0. So this way we can derive all these values in our mind. Hope you understand. Easy? Yes, it is easy to remember. Just by watching your finger, you can get all the values. Thanks for watching.